Alright guys, we got a new toy for our 16th year anniversary. I bought Natalie a new Dyson V11 Animal. Actually, there's two different models of this. You have the Animal and then you have, what was the other one, the Gear? What was it called? Anyways, this is a different model. It's like $100 more. Liv's talking to you.
Oh, what is it, Livy? Hi.
Yeah. It's like $100 more, but all you get is like an LCD screen and a different attachment. So we're gonna unbox this thing for you guys. This is the latest technology from Dyson. There it is guys, Dyson. And it's the Dyson V11 Animal. Comes with a 2-year warranty, that's what it says. So got it at Best Buy, there was no deals. It was just straight up.
It came out 3 days ago, so yeah, there's no sales with
Actually, it was $5.96. $5.96. I thought it was $5.99.
Me too.
Hey, we got a good deal.
$3.
So they took off like $4. That's good. So let's open this thing up.
All right.
Comes with activate your warranty online. So you get 2-year parts and labor. There you go, right there. Problem solved. You know, you got to set that up so it says before you get started, activate your free 2-year parts and labor Dyson warranty and receive support from the dedicated Dyson experts. All right, we'll do that in a minute. So we'll do that, I guess, after we set it up, guys. And you got this thing right here. I guess this is instructions on how to hook up the charging station, because this thing has a charging station with the lithium-ion battery. Okay. And looks like it has an attachment. That's one thing the upgraded version has than this one. More is one more attachment. It's like a soft brush attachment. Okay, so you got that, and then you got the other attachments. Little attachment box here. Let's see what these attachments are. You got this one right here. Look at that, quick connect. Pretty good. Okay,
yeah, I love that.
That's a good one. And these are all quick connect, so you can like connect it straight in there. Small spots. Let's see. Oh, it slides in. Right there, slides in and out. So you got 2 different attachments there. You got the light brush there. Then you got another attachment where it's like little felt right there.
Okay, cool.
Little felt right there, and it's more hard, so you can press. And then you slide that up, and it's soft. It's real soft, feels soft. This one's hard. This one's harder. So then you got that cardboard. And you got this big thing here. This is like the main, I guess the main. Ooh, look at that color, purple, guys. This is the main one, the main rod.
That looks cool. That color looks cool.
Yeah, it's a cool color. It's really cool. It's like metallic. Like, if I was gonna pick a purple, that would be the purple.
Yeah, me too.
That would be the purple right there.
I'm not even a purple.
I'm not a purple kind of guy, but I mean that's good. That's metallic and purple. There it is. Move this out of the way real quick. And you got this cardboard. I guess that goes over there. Looks like you got the wall attachment right here amongst all the other cardboard stuff. So let's see, let's just guess on this. You put this here, plug it in here or something. Anyways, that goes on the wall, I'm sure. And then this is the other mounting bracket piece right here. I don't know, I think that's the hardware in there for like the screws and stuff. You put that on the wall, and then this probably slides like right here.
Gotcha.
Like right there on there, like that, so you can take it on. Whatever, we'll figure that out in a minute. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, so you got this cardboard, nothing in there. Oh, this is one of the main brushes right here. These things have motors on them. You can see the positive and negative connections right there because it's DC power. That has a motor built in, so it's sucking from the motor up here. Plus, this is revolving right here. So that's supposed to be really good. That's like one of the main rollers. And you got this thing. This is the main power AC adapter right here for the charging station, I think. There's that. This is like a little, I think this is an attachment that goes out here on the tube. You could put this on the tube right here. I saw that. And then you could put more attachments on it. So you put that out there, and you could put more attachments. So you could put this on here like this, I think. Or maybe this one.
Yep, I use that one a lot.
like that, and like this. So you can carry that with you while you're like. So that's cool. All right, what else? What else we got here?
Hi.
Hey, Nate. Anyways, I got Mom this for her anniversary.
Best gift ever.
Happy anniversary. She wanted. And this is actually the main vacuum head right here. So you hook that up to this, I think, right here like this. Just guessing. Man, sure enough. There you go. And then you have your other attachments. And then, okay, so then you put that down there. And then I'm just guessing right here is the main motor. This is where you spend all the money at, guys. So this is like supposedly really nice. It has really high efficiency, no escape, like all the suction that comes in, and has a really nice filter. So like all the dust and particles and dander and all that kind of stuff don't escape from the filter in the backside. Oh wow, it works. That's crazy. Oh wow.
I'm gonna turn that angle.
Huh?
With the light.
Oh, yes,
Wonderful.
Sorry guys.
So, okay. Let's see
Look,
this.
Dad!
What? So it has the auto right here. Let's see. What's this? Auto. Echo. Auto. Boost. Auto. Echo. Looks like the battery is like just the last bar. That's the indicator. The other one, for the $100, you guys will get like an LED screen, and it's going to show a lot better information on there. But you can still get the same kind of information on this thing, I think, because it shows when the filter's bad and all that kind of stuff if it's clogged. What you need to know: cord-free cleaning. Here's like more instructions on the vacuum itself. And I'll take that off and we'll read that later. I'm gonna hook this up right here for Natalie. I think that's how it goes. And she can, here, let me get the camera. And you could, and she could test it out. Here you go.
Okay.
I guess you could just press, I'm gonna press auto. There's auto, boost, echo. I'll just put in an auto.
Okay.
Hold on, let me see.
I have no clue. I guess I just push this
Yeah,
button.
just push the button. That thing right there, like, adapts to the floor level.
Supposedly, it feels like it's really sucking hard.
That's what it said. It's supposed to adapt to the floor level. It's spinning really good.
It's really hard to put in.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, hold on.
say it's
Hold on,
picking up
hold on.
good.
One second. Let me look at something.
I don't know.
Try that. Is that better?
Yeah, it is better actually.
I thought it automatically...
Adjusted, so did I.
I thought it automatically adjusted.
I see a penny. Should we try and suck it up?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Try to stick it in. Oh, it went in there, guys. See a penny, pick it up
like
all
how
day
it goes
long. You
under.
have good luck.
Look.
Look at that. It has a good.
Does it work?
Yeah, it works.
See, the downfall of this is it has like. It doesn't have like the greatest battery indicator on it. Actually, it does, but it doesn't show exactly when it's gonna.
The other one showed exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Not
how
worth
much
$100
battery
for
life
me.
You have.
That's something stuck on there. Okay, are you seeing all these crumbs right here from
Yeah,
the
let's see.
kiddos? Let's try and see what happens. All right. One swipe and it got it up. Look at this. All right. You can see. Okay, that was what? Are you taping?
Oh my God! Look at the filter.
That's what I was gonna say. Look at how much
Wow.
dirt that got in like maybe a minute.
God, guys, look at that.
Holy cow! That was
good.
like less than a minute of cleaning.
Wow, guys, that's pretty cool. Okay, it's supposed to be good on hardwood floors too. Let's see what it does on the hardwood floors. Maybe
Okay.
you need to.
What's this, guys?
Hold on 1 second. Let me do it on. What's the plus and what's the minus? What is that doing, by the way? So this is the plus and the minus.
I don't know. We need to read up on it.
Yeah, we need to read up on this. I don't know if this is. electrical or not. Let me take this thing off real quick.
Okay.
Take that off. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. See that right there? And I'm gonna put this thing on. What is this for? This is the automatic one, I think. Let's try this one.
I don't think so. That thing's dinky.
I don't know what
This
it
is funny.
Try it.
Okay. It doesn't even feel right.
What is that?
It's not for the floor.
What is that, guys?
Maybe.
Hold on. Does it spin? Go.
I think.
Press it. Oh yeah, it spins.
Oh, I bet it's for the furniture or
Furniture?
or the stairs.
The stairs?
Cars?
What is this thing?
I don't know.
Oh, it's like on. Yeah, you could do it. Try it.
No, that's for the hardwood
That thing
floors.
pivots. It pivots.
No, it's for the hardwood
Maybe it's for the
floors.
hardwood floors. What is that for, guys? We don't know. I'm gonna look it up right now. Hold on. I'm gonna look it up right now. Hold on. Let's look at the box.
Here's my way.
Okay, what is this for?
All right, Nathan.
Okay, this is the mini motorized tool. That's what it is, guys. The mini motorized tool. There it is. Right there. So you can use that for whatever. Let me see something real quick. High torque cleaner head. High torque cleaner head. Okay. So I guess I thought it would like adapt it automatically. So you can use that for anything. All right, let's put the other one on.
All right.
Take that one off, Nathan. Let's put this one back on. Yeah, this is electrical too. You can see the electrical
I know how to take it off
connectors
that
right
from
there.
start.
Stop pressing the button. All right, here we go. Let's plug this thing back in. Now it goes the other way. Yeah, right there. There we go. All right, it snaps in really easy, guys.
All right.
So you have the plus and minus right there. I don't know what that means, but let's just do it right in the middle, I guess. No, just leave it on plus.
Okay.
All right. Oh, you know what? Try boost mode. Try boost mode on that.
Okay.
Oh wow. Oh my God! Look at that, guys. Wow, stuff's flying off. It's on boost mode and it's just like everything's just disintegrating.
Let's see.
How does it feel?
Oh, it shut off.
Oh, the battery's dead,
That's
guys.
it.
That's all the charge you get. So, thanks for watching this video. And if you like it, just let us know. We'll do a more in-depth review once we get this thing charged and mounted up. Thanks for watching.
We'll leave it down
That
below.
is the Dyson. What is it called?
Animal V11.
Dyson V11 Animal. All right. We'll let you know later on how it works
And guys-
in more detail.
We'll put it in the description so you guys can buy it if you want to.
All right. Cool.
So yeah.
All right. Later.
Later. Bye.
All right, guys, so I forgot to show you one more thing. Just to empty this out, you unplug that. It's so easy to unplug these extensions and tubes and whatever, but walk with me over to the trash can. Look at this. This thing is light. It's like a... Doesn't work because the battery's dead, but... So look at how easy it is to empty this thing. You just press this, bam.
We already emptied it, but you can see. Nice.
That's it. And it locks back. I think you have to press that one time to get it forward, and then you just, once you lock it in, you got to do that one time, and bam, it slides open and it dumps out. It's like the easiest thing. Like, what a good design. And obviously they have like a super duper HEPA filter in the back, so all that stuff that's coming in there does not escape. And it will tell you right here on this one when to change the filter out. And also this thing lights up right here when it's clogged up too.
Move your finger.
It can't be that close. It will be blurry. Tell me when you're ready and I'll start again.
Okay.
See, so right here it will tell you when to change your filter out, and also this indicator will tell you when it's clogged. So everything on this LED screen right here is going to tell you the same information on the LCD screen that you're going to pay $100 for. So to us, it really wasn't worth it. So, and this is for right now. If you want to just do it out of the box real quick before you set it up, all you got to do is plug that in right there and find out where the AC adapter, the DC charger is. Charge it, and I think it takes, and there's the indicator light right there. I think it probably takes about 4.5 hours to charge that battery fully, so that's the downside. But I think it lasts 60 minutes. 60 minutes on medium. Actually, like 70 minutes on medium. So anyway, if you want to know more about it, just send us a comment and we will help you out. And so far, I like it. What do you think, babe?
I like it.
Like how much?
I like it.
What are you thinking about? Like, what's making you not like it as much as you thought you were gonna like it?
Overall, I like it. I thought that it was gonna go from carpet to hardwood with like ease, and it seems like maybe we're gonna have to push a button to.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah, we'll figure it out. Like, I don't
That's
know if
mainly
it does. I thought it did it automatically,
Yeah, that's the
but
main thing.
I don't know for
We gotta
sure.
figure that
We'll
out.
have to read. We'll have to read the instructions.
I think it has to do with this right here.
Yeah.
See this?
So flip that
Right
thing
here.
over real quick.
Whoa,
Okay.
that scared me.
That thing is flexible. Here, so I'll
All right,
hold this.
baby.
Now flip the button on the front, the plus and minus. I got this.
Okay.
And what's this? See?
Oh, yep.
That's what. That's all. No,
That's it.
all that does right there is allows bigger particles to come through, so you don't have to do anything. This is self.
Oh, if you don't want any big particles to come through, you
Yeah.
stick that up. It
Well,
blocks
if you have like
it.
Cheerios and stuff, that's what you open that up.
But
let more stuff
It'll
in.
also let Legos and
Yeah.
all kind of stuff in. That's cool.
Yeah, but I mean.
Well, we'll definitely leave ours open.
Yeah. All right, guys. So it is like automatic,
That's cool. Okay.
and you don't have to worry about doing anything. So it's just that alleviates a lot of stress there, huh? All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
And till next time. Bye.